And it just didn't make dollar cents.
It just works.
We're talking up in the $1.2, $1.4 million range per year in savings, already recouped costs.
So with Oceania, they came to us, they had a packing line. They needed to upgrade it, they needed to automate.
With a manual solution, you've got patches coming out, you've got people having to grab them, put them into a box, grab a label, chuck it on, and then send it on its way. Then walk over to that pallet, make sure that all the right cases are on that pallet, that it all tracks through and is perfect. That just is a recipe for mistakes, recipe for errors and having to repack, handle stuff twice. We had quite a few nights where we're having to go out into the warehouse, grab those pallets, bring them back in, delete all the case data and pouch data that's in there, and then start putting them back through. If that's ever wrong, then we start again. In the industry, RML do have a very good reputation. So when RML were able to be competitive on price with other options, the whole Kiwi factor sort of became a bit of a no-brainer.
Relationships are important. That's why we went down and saw them. We needed to get face to face. We needed to see the customer, see the whites of their eyes essentially. Manual packing can turn into a nightmare. It's fraught with human error.
The best thing that RML did as well was they were really open to that. The engineers were having conversations with our frontline staff and they were collaborating on what the solution had to be.
From the 2D drawing we gave Robbie, Ian and Nathan to look at, we actually created a bit of a 3D model, give them a perspective of the equipment, the size of it, and help them understand what it would look like in their production space. But we translate from 2D to 3D to real life, and in this situation that's exactly what we did.
It's an incredibly automated system. Pouches are fed out from our filler machine straight out into the case packer, automatically packed into cases. Cases are formed, sealed, labelled, barcodes applied, all in an automated fashion by the RML kit.
They were the definition of under-promise, over-deliver. We had to get up to 20 tonnes per day. With our original plant and our manual process, we were doing about 8. On a really good day, we'd do 12. Within 2 months of the RML automated solution being installed, we've managed to get up to 20. We had our targets going from 16 temporary staff down to 4. We were able to deliver that within 7 months, which in terms of savings is huge.
It allows us to have full traceability on our product, from pouch to case and from case through to pallet. Our team really love working with the RML equipment is because of the support that we get.
It just works. You just walk past it and you just look at it and you're like, amazing.
We don't leave people once the equipment has been installed. We are there through it all, thick and thin. We provide support, we provide servicing. We want to be there with you through that whole journey, even if the production line's only going to be there for 10 years.
RML's kind of reset the standard for what suppliers sort of offer us here. I would absolutely recommend RML again. They've been very easy to deal with, I love working with them, and yeah, it's a no-brainer for us.